This is to demonstrate putting the nose cone on an EroScan. If you notice the cone here, the clip on this side, you can see where you can see it clipped in, and on this side it looks like it's clipped in, but it's not snapped in place. If you push down on this, you can see it snap into place right there. If it's not snapped into place, it can cause a difference on the output of up to 10 decibels and cause your machine to not put out the right signal. If you're going to put the cone on in the first place, take the cone, make sure it matches orientation, like so. Go ahead and put it in, clipping on one side first, and then snap the other side into place, and checking that both sides are even. The same thing applies with the cone for the extension. If the clips here aren't fully in place and don't lock, it won't give a proper signal. If it's like that, you're going to have enough of a gap that it'll lose tone. Make sure that it is snapped properly into place and you'll be good.